Welcome, travel enthusiasts! Today, we embark on a virtual journey through Mexico 101, a crash course guide for visitors. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll be your travel companions, guiding you through the diverse landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture of this enchanting country. From exploring the bustling streets of Mexico City to wandering the serene beaches of Cancun, we'll provide you with a comprehensive guide to all things Mexico. We'll delve into the Spanish language, introduce you to mouth-watering Mexican cuisine, and reveal the secrets of the country's traditional arts and crafts. We'll also discuss the colorful festivals, highlight must-visit attractions, and offer practical travel tips. So whether you're planning your next trip or just curious about Mexican culture, this crash course is your passport to a deeper understanding of Mexico. So buckle up as we dive into the vibrant world of Mexico. Mexico's geography is as diverse as its culture. This vibrant nation is divided into 31 states, each boasting its unique charm and identity. From the sun-drenched shores of Baja California to the verdant jungles of Chiapas, Mexico's landscapes are a feast for the senses. Let's not overlook the urban landscapes. Mexico City, the capital, is a bustling metropolis where ancient history and modernity coexist. Guadalajara, known for its tequila and mariachi music, is a testament to Mexico's rich cultural heritage. Then there's Monterrey, a city surrounded by mountains offering breathtaking vistas. Now, imagine the tranquil beauty of Oaxaca with its indigenous cultures and archaeological sites, or the vibrant colors of Guanajuato, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. And for those looking for a beach getaway, Cancun and Playa del Carmen offer pristine beaches and sapphire blue waters. From bustling cities to serene landscapes, Mexico offers something for everyone. Mexico's rich history and culture form the heart of this vibrant country. A journey through time in Mexico takes us back over 3,000 years to the era of powerful pre-Hispanic civilizations. The Olmec, Maya, Toltec, and Aztec empires each left their indelible marks on the landscape, shaping the country's identity with their advanced societies, remarkable architectural achievements, and complex belief systems. The arrival of Spanish conquistadors in the 16th century brought a dramatic shift. They left an enduring legacy that is evident in the nation's language, religion, and architecture. The fusion of indigenous and Spanish influences birthed a uniquely Mexican culture. But Mexico's history didn't stop in the colonial era. The 19th century brought wars, invasions, and the struggle for independence, while the 20th century saw the Mexican Revolution, a pivotal event that led to significant social and political changes. Culture, much like history, is a living entity in Mexico. It's woven into the fabric of daily life and expressed in countless ways. The country is known for its colorful arts and crafts, from the intricate embroidery of the Otomi people to the whimsical alebrijes, fantastical creatures hand-carved from wood. Literature, too, plays a significant role in Mexican culture. From the poignant works of Juan Rulfo to the magical realism of Laura Esquivel, Mexican writers have made significant contributions to world literature. Mexican culture is also a feast for the senses. The country's traditional music and dance forms like mariachi, son jarocho, and folklorico reflect its regional diversity and are a source of national pride. And of course, there's the cuisine, a mouth-watering blend of flavors that has earned it recognition as a UNESCO intangible cultural heritage. From street food to fine dining, the culinary scene in Mexico is a celebration of its rich cultural heritage. The past and present intertwine in Mexico, creating a unique cultural tapestry. This fusion of history and culture is what makes Mexico a fascinating destination, offering a wealth of experiences for those eager to explore. Communication is key, and in Mexico, that means Spanish. As the official language, Spanish is spoken by the vast majority of Mexico's population. Whether you're ordering tacos at a street stall, asking for directions to the nearest beach, or haggling at a local market, knowing some basic Spanish phrases can come in handy. So let's start with the basics. Hola means hello, gracias is thank you, and por favor signifies please. To ask where the bathroom is, say, ¿Dónde está el baño? And if you're feeling adventurous and want to try the local cuisine, say, Me gustaría probar la comida local, which means I would like to try the local food. Remember, it's not just about the words, but also the gestures and body language. Mexicans are known for their warmth and friendliness, so don't be afraid to smile or use your hands to express yourself. A little Spanish goes a long way in making your Mexican adventure more rewarding. Mexican cuisine is a delicious blend of flavors and traditions. A vibrant tapestry woven from centuries of cultural exchange, it's as diverse and colorful as Mexico itself. From the heart of Mexico City to the coastal towns of Yucatan, each region has its own unique culinary identity that's deeply rooted in history. Let's embark on a tantalizing journey through the world of Mexican cuisine. First stop, tacos. But these aren't just any tacos. We're talking authentic Mexican tacos. Picture this: soft corn tortillas filled to the brim with grilled meat, topped with fresh cilantro, onions, and a squeeze of lime. An explosion of flavors in every bite. Next, we delve into the world of tamales. These delightful parcels of joy are made from masa, a dough made from nixtamalized corn, filled with meats, cheeses, fruits, or chilies. They're wrapped in corn husks and steamed to perfection. But the Mexican culinary adventure doesn't stop there. We can't forget about the humble yet ever so versatile tortilla. This staple food is used in everything from enchiladas to chilaquiles, and of course the beloved quesadilla. Moving on to the regional specialties, Oaxaca, often dubbed the land of seven moles, is a must-visit for food enthusiasts. Its 7 types of mole sauces, each with its unique blend of spices and flavors, are nothing short of a culinary marvel. Street food in Mexico is an experience all its own. From the sizzling grills of roadside taco stands to the sweet allure of churros vendors, there's something to satisfy every palate. And let's not forget about the drinks. Whether it's the smoky allure of mezcal, the sweet tang of a margarita, or the refreshing taste of agua fresca, Mexican beverages are a feast for the senses. So, prepare your palate for a gastronomic adventure unlike any other. From the sizzling spices of the street food to the comforting warmth of homemade tamales, every dish tells a story. So get ready to tantalize your taste buds with Mexico's culinary treasures. Mexico's landmarks tell stories of its rich history and diverse culture. Each corner of this vibrant country has something unique to offer, taking you on a journey through time and tradition. Let's start with Chichen Itza, a significant archaeological site in Yucatan, home to the iconic Kukulkan Pyramid. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, one of the new 7 wonders of the world, was a large pre-Columbian city built by the Maya civilization. Here, the blend of architectural styles and the advanced astronomical knowledge of the Maya people are clearly evident. Now imagine standing in front of the Sun Pyramid at Teotihuacan near Mexico City. This ancient city, whose name means the place where the gods were created, is steeped in mystery, as its original founders remain unknown. Walking down the Avenue of the Dead, the main road of this ancient city, is like stepping back in time, providing a truly humbling experience. Moving on to the Mayan Riviera, a stretch of Caribbean coastline on Mexico's northeastern Yucatan Peninsula. It's known for its numerous all-inclusive resorts and its long beaches, but it's not just about sun and sand. The Mayan Riviera is also home to several eco-parks and the world-renowned Tulum Ruins, an ancient walled city sitting on rocky cliffs above the crystal-clear sea. And then there's the bustling metropolis of Mexico City itself, a city that marries the old and the new in a fascinating mix. From the historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with its stunning architecture, to the hip neighborhoods of Roma and Condesa, Mexico City is a melting pot of experiences. Finally, let's not forget Guanajuato, a city famous for its colorful houses, narrow alleyways, and the historic Cervantino Festival. Its old-world charm and vibrant art scene make it a must-visit destination for culture enthusiasts. These iconic attractions offer a glimpse into Mexico's soul. Each one carries a piece of the country's history, culture, and spirit, inviting every visitor to immerse themselves in Mexico's rich tapestry of life. Traveling smart is traveling safe, and we've got some tips for you. When exploring Mexico's vibrant cities or tranquil beaches, always be aware of your surroundings. Keep your belongings secure and maintain a low profile to avoid drawing unnecessary attention. As in any country, it's essential to respect local customs and traditions. In Mexico, this might mean avoiding overly casual attire in religious sites or observing quiet hours in residential areas. When it comes to transportation, taxis and ride-sharing services are generally safe, but it's always a good idea to verify the identity of your driver. And let's not forget about currency. While credit and debit cards are widely accepted, it's handy to have some Mexican pesos for smaller purchases or in areas where card payments aren't common. Lastly, always have the contact information of your country's embassy or consulate. They can provide assistance if you encounter any serious issues. With these tips, you're well prepared for a safe and enjoyable journey. Music and dance are at the heart of Mexican culture. The country's vibrant rhythm scene reflects a rich tapestry of historical influences, from indigenous roots to Spanish colonialism. Mariachi, with its stirring trumpets and violins, is perhaps the most recognized genre worldwide. Originating in the state of Jalisco, the music tells stories of love, betrayal, and heroism, often accompanied by the passionate movements of folkloric dance. But the musical landscape doesn't stop there. From the lively beat of banda in the north to the soulful son jarocho in the south, each region has its unique sound. Dance, too, is a vital expression of culture. The sultry salsa, energetic cumbia, and traditional folk dances like the jarabe tapatio, often called the Mexican hat dance, captivate audiences with their dynamic rhythms and intricate steps. So put on your dancing shoes and get ready to move to the Mexican rhythm. Mexico's natural beauty is a spectacle to behold. This vibrant land teems with a kaleidoscope of landscapes, from the lush rainforests of Chiapas to the arid deserts of Baja California. Each region is a testament to nature's artistry, etched with the brushstrokes of biodiversity and geological marvels. For the eco-conscious traveler, Mexico offers a world of possibilities. Picture yourself trekking through the Sierra Gorda Biosphere Reserve, where every step takes you deeper into a realm of untamed wilderness and rare species. Or imagine exploring the Siancan Biosphere Reserve, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where you can kayak through mangroves, observe vibrant coral reefs, and encounter sea turtles in their natural habitat. Now let's take a mystical plunge into Mexico's intriguing underwater world. The Yucatan Peninsula is dotted with cenotes, natural sinkholes that open into vast underground rivers. These crystal-clear pools, revered by the ancient Maya, offer an ethereal diving and snorkeling experience, where you can navigate through stunning stalactite formations and witness a mesmerizing play of light and shadow. Mexico's ecotourism is not just about experiencing nature's wonders, it's about preserving them. Sustainable practices are at the heart of this philosophy. Think eco-lodges that blend seamlessly into the environment, guided tours that respect wildlife, and local communities that thrive on conservation efforts. It's about discovering the natural world while ensuring it endures for generations to come. As we immerse ourselves in these awe-inspiring landscapes, let's remember our role as eco-tourists. We're here to appreciate, not to exploit. We're here to learn, not to disrupt. We're here to connect with nature, not to leave our mark on it. As the saying goes, take only pictures, leave only footprints. Mexico's natural beauty is a gift we're privileged to enjoy. Let's honor this gift by promoting responsible travel. Let's celebrate the wonders of nature while safeguarding its future. Remember, we're visitors in nature's home. Let's tread lightly and leave no trace. We've journeyed through Mexico's vibrant culture, history, and beauty. We've explored its varied landscapes, from bustling cities to tranquil beaches, and delved into its rich heritage, from the ancient civilizations to the lively festivals. We've sampled the flavors of Mexican cuisine, learned essential Spanish phrases, and discovered the significance of traditional arts and crafts. We've danced to the rhythm of Mexican music and marveled at the country's natural wonders, encouraging ecotourism and responsible travel. We've also shared practical advice for your journey, ensuring a safe and enjoyable experience. We've introduced you to renowned Mexican artists and their significant contributions to art and culture. And we've celebrated Mexican traditions, showing you how these customs are kept alive. As you plan your visit, remember to embrace the culture, history, and beauty of Mexico. This is just the beginning of your adventure. Thank you for joining us on this virtual tour of Mexico. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below.